Hello, my babies. It is me, Sock Monkey, in space. Let's consult the tarometer for a one-card pull. Here we go. Beep, 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 beep. Boop, 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 boop. All right, let's see. I choose you. Ooh. This is so perfect, my babies. It's the moon. And I'm looking at the moon right now outside my spaceship window. Okay, the moon is very misunderstood. It's in the dark, of course, as moons have to be. But sometimes people get scared in the dark, and then they are scared of the moon. And this moon is crying because its feelings are hurt. You know, moons are wonderful. Moons, well, they illuminate in the dark. You are going to find some illumination in the dark, my babies. You are going to find something. I know it. This is a very important and kind card. Remember, my babies, I love you, and pull your socks up.